Hello guys, it is your guy MKFX and you are welcome to my channel once more. To those that have been there, you're very much welcome. And if this is your first time watching my video, please, I really appreciate if you can subscribe, ring the notification bell and share the video to your friends that are interested in learning Forex. In this video, I'll be talking about how to do the top and down analysis using multiple time frames to analyze your chart and get good entries with good stop loss and take profits. So overall in this video, I'm going to be showing you this simple strategy, how to analyze your charts using fair value gaps and other blocks to make or to get a good entry and understanding the Forex market. So here we are going to be going to the month from the weekly. I start from the weekly time frame right down to the 1 hour time frame to understand what price is giving me and what price is doing. So let's go straight to the chart. Once more, if this is your first time to my channel, please don't forget subscribe to my channel, like and share. Also comment down what is your point of view in the video. Give me your review on this video on the comment section. It's also going to motivate me. And if you have any question concerning Forex trading, also feel free to post in the comment section and I'm going to do that video for you. So let us go straight to the weekly time frame. All right, guys, here we have the weekly time frame. Now, the question I'm going to ask myself on the weekly time frame is, what is price doing on the weekly time frame? On the weekly time frame, I can clearly see that we are in an uptrend. Price forming a series of higher highs, higher lows, equal highs, higher low, higher high, higher low. And now price is at the phase of forming a higher low. Now the question is, where will price leave from to create another higher high? Obviously, we all know price is going to create another higher high, but the question is, from where will price create that higher high? That's the question. So we are looking at other blocks and fair value gaps. We are looking at other blocks and fair value gaps, which price has to mitigate before buying back to the upside. So now on the weekly time frame, I can clearly see that I have an order block at the bottom, right? I have an order block at this low. So I'm going to mark out that order block. I'm going to mark out that order block. Guys, at this point, I am only focused at what price is going to be doing or how price is going to react or how price has been reacting in this zone here. So for now, I'm only focused on this other block. I'm only focused on this other block. I'm not more focused on what price is doing here. I'm focused on this other block. So I'm going to diversify, going to other time frames from the weekly to the daily, from the daily to the 4 hours, from the 4 hours to the 2, 3, 1 hour, to see what price has been doing at this zone, to know where price is going to test this and buy back to the upside. For sure, price has to mitigate this other block. Now, the question is, where will price mitigate it? Will price take all the other block before buying? Or will it just mitigate the top, or will it get to 50% of this? Like, where will price mitigate? That's the reason for this video. So guys, we are going to go straight to the 4 hour, to the daily time frame, sorry. Now, on the daily time frame, we are here, right? Now, what can you see on the daily time frame? What can you pay attention to on the daily time frame? At this point, do I have any fair value gap or any other block? When I look at it, no, there is none. Some people are going to see this as a fair value gap, but this candlestick mitigated it, meaning it's no more valid. There is no fair value gap, there's no other block. So this is the only block that is valid for now. So let's move down to the 4 hour time frame. Now, the question is, on the 4 hour time frame, what is price doing at that zone? What is price doing at that zone? Here we are. Here we are. Now, guys, take a clear look at this. You see here on the 4 hour time frame, the market was on a downtrend, and this zone, which we spotted in the weekly time frame, is actually where we had a reversal of trend. That's a change of character happened here. Now, the question we are asking ourselves is, where will price come back to mitigate here on this 4 hour time frame? And if we take a close look at this, we don't really have a zone. Like we don't really know where price is going to mitigate from here. There is no fair value gap, there's no other block. So what do? We are going to go to the 3 hours time frame to see if we can get something different. 3 hour time frame, what do we get? What do we get from here? Starting from down here, we can see, as we can see from here, there is no clear zone. We can only have another block up here. But okay, guys, take a look at this. Take a look at this. This black candlestick, this blue engulfing candlestick, and this other black candlestick. We have this space here, which has not yet been mitigated, which is called a fair value gap. So we are going to be taking note of this fair value gap. Price must mitigate this fair value gap, right? Price must come back here. So that is it. We have this. So let me change the color of this to ash. And then take off this monthly stuff, or is it weekly? Now I have this fair value gap, which I know price is going to mitigate. So if price is coming back down, I'm expecting price to react from here. But do we end here? No, we go to the 2 hour time frame to see if we can have another zone in this zone. So we are going to see if we can have another zone in this zone, right? So I'm scrolling back there. Now, on this chart, we see it is still lying here on this fair value gap. And in this fair value gap, there is another fair value gap in this, but that's just a minor fair value gap. So I'm going to consider this most. Let me go to the 1 hour time frame and see if I can get more information from the 1 hour time frame. Where this chart they go now? Where did they go? Where is it? Where is it? Where is that zone? Looking for that zone. Looking for that zone. Where did it go to, guys? Okay, here is it here. You see how far we are going back to gather information to trade what is happening in the future. Now, on the 1 hour time frame, there is no much information. And if you should draw this zone here, guys, you actually see that this is where that break of structure occurred. And when it happens, it has to come back down to mitigate this before buying back to the upside. So that's our expectation on GBP NZD. We're expecting price to sell down to this zone. So what are we going to do? I'm just going to drag this price to our current price. Let me go to the 4 hour time frame so it'll be easy. I'm just going to drag this to our current price. Wow, that was really long. That was really long. Using long information like this. Now this is it at our current price. So now what am I expecting? I'm expecting price to fall to this price and then reverse back and buy back to the upside. I hope you can see that. And it can also serve as a support. I hope you can see that from the 4 hours. You see it is a valid support from here. You see, when drawing this, I never knew I'm going to get it at this spot on the 4 hour time frame. I had no idea. And there is price selling back to come back here, giving me a series of higher highs, higher lows. And if we take a close look at this, guys, if we take a close look at this, you see we have a double top here. And now, what are we waiting for? We can wait for price to break below this neckline with a body. Now, when price breaks below this with a body, we are going to look for our entry here with our stop loss above. It's a sell, not a buy. So we are going to use this. Now, we are going to go to the 1 hour time frame to have a decent stop loss. Now, if price should sell from here after breaking from this neck, that is our entry will be somewhere around here. Our entry will be somewhere around here, and our stop loss should be above or above this highs, exactly above this highs, and our take profits just at the top of this, because price might just get there, touch it, and then go back. So this is it. This is it, guys, and this is the trade we are going to be taking on GBP NZD. Back to the 4-hour time frame. This is the trade we are going to be taking on GBP NZD, and when chart gets back here, when the chart gets back here, we are going to be buying GBP NZD as a swing trade right up to these highs up here, targeting these highs. When price get there, we are going to be targeting these highs on GBP NZD. So guys, there is where price is heading to. And if you don't understand anything on this video, you can ask in the comment section. This is what I have from my top and down analysis on GBP NZD. So I'm expecting price to break this neckline and then retest, and then I take my sell from there, targeting this other block I spotted from the weekly time frame. So guys, this is all for this video, and I pray that it helps you. You can comment down on the comment section, as I said in the beginning, give your review about this video. And if this is your first time watching my video, please do well to like and subscribe to my channel. Thank you.